Step 1. Open Settings. Look for the Settings app icon on your home screen or in your app drawer. It usually looks like a gear. Tap it to open. Step 2. Navigate to Apps or Applications. In the Settings menu, find and tap on the section labeled Apps, Applications, or App Manager. The exact wording might vary slightly depending on your Android version and device manufacturer. Step 3. Find the app you want to disable. You'll see a list of all the apps installed on your device. Scroll through the list or use the search function, usually a magnifying glass icon at the top, to find the pre-installed app you want to disable. Tap on the app's name. Step 4. Tap Disable. Once you've selected the app, you'll see its app info page. Look for a button labeled Disable. Tap on it. Step 5. Confirm the action. A confirmation dialog will appear, warning you about the potential consequences of disabling the app, e.g., other apps might stop working. Read the warning carefully, and if you're sure you want to proceed, tap Disable App or OK. Step 6. App Disabled. Once disabled, the app icon will usually disappear from your app drawer. On the app info page in Settings, the Disable button will be replaced by an Enable button, in case you want to use the app again in the future. You might also see the option to Force Stop if the app was running in the background before being disabled. Important notes. Not all pre-installed apps can be disabled. Some are essential for the system to function correctly, and the Disable option might be grayed out or not available for these apps. 2. Disabling an app is not the same as uninstalling it. Disabling prevents the app from running, sending notifications, and using resources, but it remains on your device. You can re-enable it later if needed. 3. Be cautious about disabling apps you are unsure about. Disabling essential apps could lead to instability or malfunctioning of your device.